Hello all. How we calculate hole size of any pin, any through hole pin. So in this video we are going to learn that how we can calculate hole size of any pin. So just go into tool, pad stack calculator. So go into through hole option. Here you can see that lead option or shape is written. If round, the lead size is round, just select round. Suppose it is 1 mm. So hole size for 1 mm lead size, the hole size will be 1.2 mm. That means at 0.2 mm extra. Why we keep the white one you are looking, that is hole, and the black size is dark blue also you can say, that is the hole size. So you can see that uh, around the hole there is almost not only 0.2 mm is extra space is left. Why we keep extra 0.2 mm? Because when we solder these through hole pins onto PCB, then this empty space 0.2 mm is empty space that is used to flow the solder from top to bottom or from component side to another size another side. So that's why we keep at least 0.2 mm extra. So we can keep a little bit bigger hole size also, like calculated value is 1.2 mm. So you can keep 1.25 or 1.3 also. uh, that's how we calculate any through hole pin.